Hey there, little fox, welcome back. So I finally got a new setup, and it's not perfect, but it's much better than it was, and I'm very, very happy with it. So to celebrate, we're gonna redo my daily makeup routine with better lighting. As you've also probably noticed, my hair is different. Remember how in my Going Back Red video, I told you about how I destroyed my hair back in October using Eyeliner? Well, apparently I didn't learn my lesson, and I did it again. I did make a video on it, but sadly the camera I was using was too old, and no matter how I reformatted the video or converted the file, it just wouldn't take and it wouldn't process for the sake of editing. So unfortunately the videos I made on that camera are lost. Long story short, I used a cap in hopes that the amount of hair that came into contact with the lightener would be minimal, therefore the damage would be minimal. And as you can see from my bangs and from the side, it did work for the most part. Unfortunately, it also grabbed the whole front portion of my hair and fried it to a point where it wouldn't take color and was basically string cheese. And this is why hairdressers don't want to overprocess your hair just to get you platinum blonde, Brenda. That being said, I had to make the chop. The bangs were also necessary just to get the amount of damage off of the front of my hair. Luckily, one of my friends at work was able to help me out, and I ended up with a super cute bob that I can definitely work with. But when I don't have time to style this, or styling goes wrong and I end up looking like Coconut Head, I have figured out how to put on this life-saving ponytail piece that I got on Amazon for like 15 bucks. Now, this ponytail piece is synthetic, so I'm not putting any heat on it. It came curled. I don't straighten it, I don't curl it, I don't do anything to it. I just comb it when it needs it, and that's it. But if you want to learn or relearn how to do this daily makeup routine, or just learn how to put up your short hair for the ponytail piece, keep watching. All products used are listed in the description, as well as my other social media channels, my Twitch where I game, and my Streamlabs where you can donate to help me grow my channel. Also, where I found this ponytail piece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave any questions, comments, concerns, and ideas for future videos down below. Now without further ado, let's get this party started.
Wow.
Hello, Future Lauren here. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold and this part's going to require a little explaining. First, you want to comb out your ponytail piece and separate the curls as much as possible. And then you want to put your hair half up or as much up as you can and comb it smooth, put it in a little bun. Next, you want to pull out all those little pieces on the sides that aren't actually in the ponytail because they'll just fall out later in the day and cause problems. Then you want to take all your remaining hair and put it into 2 little pigtails in the back of your head. Once you've done that, you want to thread a bobby pin through the elastics and pin it to your hair, and then you can put up little flyaways if you want. Make sure you do that for both sides. You can't see it very well in the video, but on either side of the drawstring are 2 little claw-like combs. You want to put that on the top and bottom of your bun and grab the drawstring and pull it tight. I'm a perfectionist and I don't like when the netting is showing from the fake hair, so I take 2 bobby pins and I pin the synthetic hair to my real hair to make sure all the netting is covered. Lastly, you want to take the end of the drawstring, tuck it under your hair, and bobby pin it so it can't be seen. And there you have it, a big fake ponytail piece. Go you!